So you can see this is the page into your add-ons folder. And I'm going to load the test project to show you some of the features that this plugin comes with. First function, then your transaction logic should be create underscore algorithm underscore node to initialize the algorithm for sandbox environment. And you are going to be releasing this as a project or mainnet or testnet. You would have to change the parameters of that function. Change it from the local host down to either the testnet node running within your machine or testnet or mainnet node. So right now I'm just going to down to NFT parser and in-game wallets with Algorand tokens. It's a pretty heavy project, so it takes a while to load. So here is your wallet. It shows all the details of your account. It shows the address, the amount of algos, micro algos stored within your wallet. Compare it with your sandbox environment. You clearly see that the details are consistent. The wallet address is consistent, and it also shows best letters is consistent, and it also shows the background image. transaction to go through. Pending. Oh, I don't think the transaction went through that time, so I'm just going to try it again. Withdraw. Pending. Now I'm just going to get the wallet details again. And if you look through the wallet details, you can clearly see that the amount of micro algo stored in this address listed as the player's address has increased by 1 million micro algos. And also the escrow wallet where the algos were sent from has also decreased by 1 million micro algos. So the withdrawal works. Next thing we're going to do is test out the NFT parser. This is the NFT that is stored to my address is NFT 001, and it's hosted on a self-hosted server. So what this is going to do, what this demonstration is going to do, it's going to clear all the details stored in the in-game wallet. That's the amount of tokens and the NFT texture image. It's going to clear it out and re-download them just from your account information that has been stored. Just from your account information that is going to be checked. This is not a pre-recorded video. All this is being done in real time. So any bugs that arise would have to be fixed in real time. Okay, the project has loaded. Now if you go ahead and delete the NFT image texture, and we also delete all the account information, that is the NFT's metadata and your wallet data that has been stored locally, the script would automatically re-download each of these details from your wallet address and download the NFT from there. So right now all the account details have been cleared, so you should see a clear balance within the wallet. It takes a while because it's trying to get those details again. And so we'll just clear we'll just stop the script and rerun that again. Okay, it has loaded the wallet details again. And if you see that updated balance is the current updated balance. Excuse me. The balance there is your updated wallet balance from your Algorand wallet address. But the NFT image fails to pass. I wonder why. I think it's a bug. It's a bug in the logic, so I'll just have to run a quick debugging session for this. Okay, I just tried re-downloading the rather reloading the wallet, and it still gives the same error. It's not able to download, it's not able to pass the NFT details. So I think a quick look through the NFT metadata would show where this error is coming from. Oh, I think I see the problem here. The problem here is the the image URL stored from the metadata hasn't been updated. It's pointing to localhost, and you cannot store an NFT in localhost. It has to be a secured server. That is HTTPS, but this link right here is showing HTTP. So there's a problem with the metadata that's stored on my hosted server, and it's causing the bug because it's showing a link to wrong IP address. So I would just have to go into my hosted server and correct the metadata info. It's very possible to correct your metadata info for your NFT, but in production release, it's not advisable to do so because it ends up reducing said value of this NFT. So I'll just quickly go into my hosted server and make corrections so that this error came about from a Git wrong Git update that wasn't really backed up correctly. So once corrections have been made, it should work. Okay. All this logic is just for the wallet itself. It's not for a lot of the transaction details used in this wallet are just built on the plugin. So this is around 300 lines of code that's built on that plugin. I guess without the plugin, it would have probably been around 800 to 1000 lines of code just to get an in-game wallet running. Oh yeah, I've seen the line. This is right here is the line of code that's causing the bug. The line of code causing the bug is because the URL that the image downloader is sent to is the wrong URL address. Once I have made changes to that, this script should work as intended. Please also note that this plugin does not work for Godot versions above 3.4.3. So if you are using 3.5 or Godot 4.0 alpha or beta release, it would not work. There has to be, we're working on updates to be able to rebase the code to work in Godot 4.0. Okay, so here's the problem. The NFT metadata points to the wrong hosting address, points to a local host address, which was what I was testing on before, but it doesn't point to the current secured hosted address. And so I just have to go and check my hosted server and make sure that I have the right bug. Yes, the bug is from the metadata itself, so that's why the NFT image wasn't downloading properly. The metadata contained tainted information that hasn't been updated, and so by updating it, it should point to the right location where NFT is hosted at. So I just delete the tainted metadata, and I rerun the script again. So it should run as intended this time around. Oh, I haven't updated that. Okay, I just have to disable that line and then check out the old line and clear up all of that buggy line of code. Then I run the script again. Okay, it should have worked now, so I just have to go to the menu and then re-enter this scene I just checked here, it's worked. Go to my menu and we enter the wallet again and it works. And also the amount of algos in the wallet has been updated to the current amount of algos in this wallet address. So if we go and check in the sandbox environment, I will check the current amount of algos we've done after sending that initial 1 million micro algo transfer. The amount of micro algos in both wallets should be the same, and they are. If you look through, run the script again, sandbox /goal asset goal account list, and it will list all the accounts that this sandbox environment manages and the amount of micro algos available. This the amount of micro algos in the in-game wallet. It ends with 6059. And if we wait for our sandbox environment to get that information for us, it should be the same then. Pending. All right, 6059. Look at it. It's all aligned perfectly. So, thank you for your time.